guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this week's video I've got a 5 horsepower Briggs Stratton generator which I need to have a look at. It's my dad's site generator which recently let him down when he was on a job, so he's asked me if we can have a look at it and see if we can get it going. So without further ado, let's see if we can get it going. The fuel in here doesn't smell or look too pretty, and it's not used on a regular basis, so it's probably got stale fuel in it, and that could have clogged the carburettor up and blocked the jets, and it's not running. So ignition switch on, fuel taps open, in the fast speed setting, and it's on choke. I'm just going to put a bag over the alternator part. This generator seems to have a custom made frame, so I'm going to have to take the engine off because the carburettor and air filter and that are behind here, and I won't be able to take the cover off because it's... Okay, I think that's enough. That could really do with a service, couldn't it? That's filthy. Okay, so I'm going to remove this piece here. Lovely. So here's the carburettor, which I need to take off and give a good clean. I'm going to drain the fuel off the tank, so I'm going to take the pipe off of this carburettor and drain out the tank, and we can see what the state of the fuel's like. So, as you can see, the fuel coming out of it is bright yellow. That's not healthy. Right, now I'm going to take the carb off. Just getting my pliers in here and disconnecting the governor spring and the governor arm. So I'm just giving it a good clean on the outside before I break into it, because I don't want any of this dirt going inside the carburettor. I'm now going to take off the float bowl from the bottom. There's a bit of sediment in there. I'm going to give that a wash out. Once I've cleaned an item, I'm just going to put it on this piece here, so I'm not cross-contaminating anything. Make sure all the passages are clear. That bit's clean. Put that there. Now I can take the float off, this pin out. Inspect the needle, just needs a little bit of a clean, and then just the main body of the carb, squirting in all the holes. Once we're happy that all the components are nice and clean, we can put it back together. Okay, governor spring can go back in here. So be very careful you don't stretch the governor spring. Right, bolt the carburettor back on now. Make sure the gaskets are in place. I do believe there should have been a gasket on here, but there wasn't one when I took it off, so I'm going to make one. Very, very small amount of Hylamar just on the face of this carburettor. Alright, let's see if it starts after cleaning the carburettor. on, fuel tap's open, on choke. Also going to change out the oil because the oil looks very dirty. And the final piece of the puzzle is just arrived, a brand new spark plug. So that can go in. Okay, let's just test that the new spark plug and all that work okay. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it useful and enjoyed watching it. If you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe. I've got plenty more videos on the channel, so please check them out. I'd really appreciate your support, and it means I can carry on making these videos. So stay tuned and hopefully see you next time. Take care.